Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stitch by Talend for analytics data loading, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Stitch by Talend login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated email field. Next, type your password into the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a reset. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button. After logging in, you will be directed to the Stitch dashboard. Here, you can view various options for managing your data sources and integrations. To add a new data source, click on the Add Source button. Select the type of data source you wish to integrate from the provided list. Follow the prompts to configure your data source settings, including authentication details. Once configured, click Save to complete the addition of the data source. Now, navigate to the Destinations tab to set up where your data will be loaded. Click on the Add Destination button. Choose the destination type that fits your analytics needs. Fill in the required information for your destination setup. After setting up the destination, click Save to finalize the process. You can now start the process of data loading by selecting your configured sources. Select the data source from which you want to load analytics data. Review the settings and ensure everything is correct before proceeding. When ready, click the Load Data button to initiate the loading process. Monitor the progress in the dashboard, where you can see the status of your data load. Once the process is complete, check for any notifications or alerts related to the loading status. Review your loaded data within the destination to confirm everything has been imported correctly. However, if you encounter issues, consult the troubleshooting section in the support documentation. This ensures a seamless experience with Stitch by Talend in managing your analytics data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.